Mm.
Yeah, the work is ongoing. Yeah, see, the roofing procedure is seriously in place. Yeah, so this is carpentry work. Yeah, and I think at these levels too, you seriously need the expertise of carpenters. Yeah, you realize that we actually give enough time for the concrete to dry. You have to really do this. Yeah, so we actually allowed over 1 week period so that the drying will actually take place very well. Yeah, so the carpentry work is ongoing, and um, it will soon be ready for the iron sheets to be arranged and used to roof the place and make it um, partially ready for habitation. Yeah, after the roofing is properly done, the next thing will be fixing of gates to prevent movement of the animals. Some of these things take time, especially when it gets to the issue of concrete drying and stuff like that. So you have to really be patient, patient. Make sure that the work goes on steadily, but then um, giving it the appropriate time. As I've always been saying, um, doing such projects will be a little difficult, especially if you are in the urban areas, especially because of land. But then if you are so eager, you you really want to do this kind of project, but have a problem with land issue because of probably you are in the urban center, I will advise that you can move to a place that is not really urban so that you can establish yourself. It will help, it will yield a lot of dividend. I want you to be encouraged. Nothing good comes easily. You have to be encouraged. You have to be determined. You have to try hard so that you can do something. You can actually do it. It's not easy to do, but you can do it. Yeah, determination and everything.
So at this point, what we are doing is that we are giving the place a platform or the ground. Nti nea yɛyɛ wɔ ha ne sɛ yɛbɛkreti a form a amboa no bɛnante so. Nyɛ adeɛ a yɛde cement bɛyɛ. Mema akɔ cement akɔ wɔ. Tafifiala mi atrɔ enu yi akɔ por dɛ mɔnli bɛ tsro akɔ por dɛ fi bɛ elã na te ŋu anɔ me. Ta ya dede ahohoa me. Pete na la vie.